Guys, it's Dylan with Dylan's Wine Repair, and today we're back with another video. It's a pretty cool one. We are going to be working at an Echo Gt225 weed whacker. I'm fixing it for my customer I have, and we're going to be doing a carb replacement. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I already pulled off the air filter and air filter cover, and so we're looking at this. So here's the throttle cable. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to press down the throttle, and then you're just going to gently pull this out, and you take that out, and then after this you want to loosen that. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this off, but then I'll show you. Alright, so I got this off. You just pull it off. You guys just loosen this knot right here. That one. I use a 10mm wrench. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to have to pull off this. And there's going to have these two bolts you got to take out. Alright, so I pulled off the throttle cable, got that off, and then you're going to have to loosen that. Use a 10mm wrench to pull that off. Now we're going to have to disconnect the gas and primer line. So there's two screws you'll see, and if I can get the camera turned, there's one, and then there's the other. I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up, like right there. So there's two there. So now you have to pull those off with the Phillips, and then you'll have to take off these two. Alright, so now, let me find my tool, where did I put it? Alright, there you go. Don't mind that, just me dropping stuff. So we're going to pull this off. So once you pull off these, we'll take off the carb. I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Alright, and let me just take off the lines. Alright, so I'll take off this. I just gotta get the other line off. So here's our carb. We're replacing it. Alright, cool. So that's our bad carb, and take off the gasket as well. I'm not going to be reusing this gasket. Pretty sure I'm not going to be have to use it. Let me just check. Alright. I actually may be able to reuse it, looks like. I think, yeah. Let's see, do I come with that? No, I think I want to reuse it, so it's a good thing. Came off in one piece. Alright, now let me grab my other carb. You just want to make sure your hands are clean because you really don't want anything going into your new carb, obviously, because that's going to go into the engine. So here's your carb. What we're going to do is you're going to slide it right back on. It's going like this. So I realized that there's two different sizes of the where the gas is. There's a big one and the small one. The small one is gonna go towards to this cover. Another one, the big one's gonna face the outside. And this one is that this big one actually is gonna face the weed whacker. Now, after we got that done, we'll put back our gasket. Alright. Now let's switch direction. Cool. So now after we got that, I'm gonna hook back our fuel lines back up to the carb. Back on like that. I'm gonna make sure they're nice and snug on there. Alright. Oh, well. Does that have the bolts already taken out? Oh, those have the bolts already. So you're gonna take those, I guess you're gonna take those screws out. Just see if those. Let me check. Because the screws that you take out from the carb, where we took out those two, this carb comes with those screws back in it. And I want to see how they work. I'm not sure if it clamps it or something like that. Looks like it just holds it. Alright. Alright, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, we're good. Just put that back. Take our filter, you know what, I'll put the new one in just because it's new. I'm used to having it in there. Doesn't look dirty, but I'd rather put it in there, just in case if there is debris. Place new filter in. See, that looks like, yep. Well, actually, before we do that, we have to put our throttle cable in before I forget. So you're just gonna put this back in. Come on. Alright, so now you got that back in. You're gonna have to tighten this, but you also want to put back your throttle cable. And here, real quick. So up here, there's like this little notch, and that brass, whatever you want to call that piece right there. That's what you're gonna put the throttle cable end in. So you want to put that in there, that little end in there, so it holds it so it doesn't pop out. Spin it. Alright, now it's back in, so we're all good with that. We're gonna just tighten this. You want to make sure your throttle cable is straight. We're just gonna tighten this. Oh, you don't want to go too tight, but you still want to go tight enough where it will still work. Oh yeah, great. Yeah, that's snug on there. So now all you're gonna have to do is just gonna have to fit your filter back onto here. Put your cover on, and then you're not all set and done, but because there's a jet adjustment on the carb, and I'll show you that real quick how that works. If I can get it with the camera, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to. So there's a little jet piece. This right there, that little brass piece. So you have to go into the manuals. You have to go into the manuals, and you have to see how it works. I have to go in the manuals, see how it works. It's just an adjustment for the jet. But that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys learn and know how to replace a carb. And all of you guys, my subscribers, have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.